Enabling two-factor authentication to FA on your Castos account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Castos account using your username and password. Ensure you are using a secure and private network to protect your login information. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for a profile or settings icon, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Locate security settings. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. Select your preferred method for two-factor authentication. This could be via an authentication app like Google Authenticator or SMS. Follow the prompts to set up your chosen method. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your 2FA method, you will likely need to enter a verification code sent to your device. Enter this code and save your changes to activate two-factor authentication on your account. Now that you have enabled two-factor authentication, your Castos account is more secure. Remember to keep your authentication method accessible for future logins.